Are you a first-time home buyer or a second-time home buyer? Well, this video is going to be for you. We are going to break down all the first-time home buyer grants and down payment assistance programs. There's a couple here in Oregon right now that are unbelievable. So we are going to get started right now. Hey everybody, I'm Jerry Norman with Oregon Life Homes. I've been selling real estate here for the last few years and I absolutely love it. If you've been watching this channel, you'll probably notice that a lot of it is geared for people looking to relocate here. Well, today this video is going to be a little bit different and it's aimed more towards first-time home buyers. And so if that's you, you're definitely going to want to listen to the end. I've got a couple little surprises at the end as well. So, first-time home buyers, there is a huge misconception that if you want to buy a home, you're going to need 20% down. Well, that's not true. It's actually, you can actually get away with 3.5% down. Well, now if you start thinking about that, $200,000, $300,000 house, that's still a lot of money. For a $350,000 house, that's over $12,000 with the 3.5% down. And then you want to factor in at least 3 or 4% for closing costs. So you're looking out of pocket for a $350,000 house, almost 25 grand. That's a lot. Well, this video, I've got some great options for you. And first, I'm going to tell you a couple stories about two different families that I helped get into these homes using these programs. One, the couple is 19 and 20 years old, married couple, makes about the average for this area, but they qualified for this home loan program. And what that is, they got basically a subsidy kind of thing where it was a down payment assistance. So up to 4% of the sale price of the home. We went out, found a home that they could qualify for. Now, it wasn't the greatest home, but it is a perfect starter home. So the sale price on this home was $225,000. It'd been on the market for a little bit, so this is where we kind of stepped up our game a little bit to get this offer to work. We made it pretty appealing for the seller. However, to help the buyer out a lot, what we asked for was 4% in seller credits. That went to help pay for the buyer's closing costs. So we have a down payment assistance loan, which is 4%. So it was a little over 10 grand. And then the seller credits of 8,000. Now we ended up getting this offer accepted. So the buyer had to pay an earnest money deposit. So you have to have a little bit of money up in reserves, but not too much. So the seller had to pay for the earnest money, which was $1,000, and then wait till the end of the story because I'll tell you what happened with that earnest money. And then the seller had to pay for a home inspection, which was about $400. So after all said and done, at the closing time, when all the repairs were done on the home, everything was taken care of, when the buyers went in to sign, they actually got their earnest money returned to them. So really, the only thing out of pocket was the $400 for the home inspection. What an amazing deal that is. That is just crazy. So that down payment assistance program, what that is it's called a silent second loan. What that does is it pays for the down payment and it doesn't need to be repaid until either you refinance the home or you sell it. So this could go on for years and that just needs to be repaid at the end. Amazing option. And another couple I helped a few months ago, he's in the medical field. She's a teacher. They make pretty good money and they were qualified for up to like 500,000. So we got into a home for 480,000 and we used this program also, which is really cool. So there's no income for this specific loan. And they were able to get into the $480,000 home with only paying for the appraisal and the inspection, which was right around $1,300. That's unheard of. So if you are thinking that you need a lot of upfront money to purchase a home, it's not always the case. Give me a call, text, email, and try and navigate that whole first-time home buyer and just get you into that home and get out of the renting and worrying about if your landlord is going to sell the home and get you out. Then you got to move again. That's so stressful. So those are really good loan options. And that can go along with an FHA or a VA loan. A lot of these options, they all have great opportunities for somebody that doesn't have a lot of money in reserves to get into a home. This is a perfect option. Also, I am putting on a Zoom webinar, and we're going to be doing this every week. It's with one of my lenders, and he is going to really dive really deep into all this. There will probably be a link in this description. If not, always reach out to me and I can definitely get you signed up with that and or send you off a link. I'd be really happy if you were able to join that. And we're going to really dive deep. There's going to be a huge question and answer. These are some really great options coming out right now. So if you're thinking about the beginning of 2025 and getting into your new home or your first home this year, this is a great time to start. So all my contact information is in the description below, and I'd really love to help you out and help you get started in this home buying program. And I mean, I just can't say enough good things about it. It's so amazing. So if you are really thinking about buying a home or even just have the thought of it, give me a call, text, or email. Everything is down below. Love to help you out. And with that, you guys watch these other videos. So we'll talk to you later and hope you have a great day. Okay, bye.